The chapter name is The Test. Okay. In this chapter, there is a teacher, Miss Patel, who loved plants, and she taught her students in a class how to grow plants in pots. Okay. So there was also a little garden behind their classroom, and she helped the students how to dig the soil. Dig the soil means removing the soil of the ground and then putting seeds deep inside the soil, and then she also guide the students that we have to water it, and we have to keep it in open area where it sunlight can reach it, so that it grows into a plant. Okay. So later what happened, Miss Patil give a task to every student. She has given a seed and a pot to the students to take it home, and she asked the students to grow the seeds into a good plant. Okay. How to grow a seed into a good plant? To sow the seed. Sow the seed means to put the seed in the soil and to water it and make it grow into a big plant. And she, for this task, she, how much time period she give to the students? She gives the time period of 3 months. Okay. So she asked the students that after 3 months you can bring that grown plant, which the plant which you have grown out of the seed, into the pot to the class, and I will observe all the plants, and the healthiest plant will win. The student which will bring the healthiest plant, that child will win. So all the students were excited. After 3 months, everybody has brought their plants which they have grown out of the seed in that pot which teacher has given. But there was a child whose name was Sujata. She was very upset because nothing grows in her pot. She has also watered that seed twice, which ma'am has given to her. Okay. But still there was no plant in her pot. So when teacher was observing every student's plant in the class, when she reached to Sujata and she asked to Sujata that why you are upset, why there is no plant in your pot. So what did Sujata said? That ma'am, I don't know, but I have done my best, but nothing grows out of my plant, out of my pot. So what did Miss Patil said? She smiled at Sujata and she said that Sujata is the winner. How then all the students were surprised that why Sujata is winner when we have brought the plant, she has not brought plant. So Miss Patil said that I was taking test of every student, that who will be the most truthful child, because Miss Patil has given boiled seed to all the students, and we cannot grow any plant out of the boiled seed. Okay. So she said that plants cannot grow out of boiled seeds. When you saw that nothing grew, जब स्टूडेंट्स ने देखा कि जो मैम ने सीड दिया है उसमें से तो कोई प्लांट ग्रो नहीं कर रहा है, हम उसमें वाटर भी दे रहे हैं, हमने उसको सनलाइट में भी रखा है, तब भी उसमें कोई प्लांट ग्रो नहीं हुआ, तो स्टूडेंट्स ने क्या किया? दे हैव पुट अनदर सीड. Okay. They have sow other seeds into that pot. That's why they have got so many good growth plants. Okay. Good grown plants. But Sujata did not change the seeds. She was following what her teacher taught her. So that is why Sujata was performing her task honestly, na? Yes, she was not lying to the teacher. She brought the pot which of the seed which ma'am has given to her. Okay. Like other students, she has not changed the seed. जैसे बाकी स्टूडेंट्स ने सीड चेंज कर दिए थे ना, ताकि वो कंपटीशन जीत जाएं, क्योंकि उन्हें तो यही पता था कि जिसका सबसे अच्छा प्लांट होगा मैम तो उसको प्राइज देंगी, है ना. तो जब मैम के दिए हुए सीड से कोई प्लांट ग्रो नहीं किया, क्योंकि मैम ने तो बॉयल सीड दिया था, ये बच्चों को नहीं पता था, उन्होंने अपनी तरफ से दूसरे सीड सॉइल में डाल दिए थे और उससे उनका प्लांट ग्रो कर गया. ओके. बट दिस इज चीटिंग ना, दे हैव डन चीटिंग. अदर स्टूडेंट्स हैव डन चीटिंग ना, दे वर नॉट ऑनेस्ट, उन्होंने ऑनेस्टी से तो टास्क नहीं किया था, है ना, दे हैव डन चीटिंग। बट सुजाता ने तो ऑनेस्टली टास्क किया था, शी हैज नॉट चेंज द सीड। So that is why in this chapter we get to learn that we should be honest. We should be always honest. Okay? We should never lie. हमें कभी भी झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए. So this is all about the chapter that we can anybody can take our test at any time. Okay? So we should if we are always true, or we are always saying truth, and if we are always right at our place, then we will always win. Okay? We should always be honest. हमें क्या होना चाहिए हमेशा? Honest. क्या होना चाहिए? Honest. Okay? So this is what that Sujata has won the prize of for her honesty. सुजाता को प्राइज किस वजह से मिला? उसकी ऑनेस्टी की वजह से.